Estimation of phosphorus. Phosphorus is also estimated by Carrier's method in almost the same way as used for the estimation of sulfur. Principle and procedure. The method is based on the fact that phosphorus present in an organic compound can quantitatively be converted into phosphoric acid by heating the compound with fuming nitric acid. A known mass of the organic compound is heated with fuming nitric acid when the phosphorus present in the compound gets oxidized to phosphoric acid. The tube is cooled and its contents are treated with magnesia mixture. This is instead of barium chloride, here you are using magnesia mixture, which is a solution containing magnesium chloride, ammonium chloride and a little ammonia. When the crystalline precipitate of magnesium ammonium phosphate is obtained, the precipitate is filtered and ignited to get magnesium pyrophosphate. The percentage of phosphorus can be calculated from the mass of the magnesium pyrophosphate thus obtained. Chemical reactions. Phosphorus present in the organic compound in presence of fuming nitric acid gives phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid reacts with the magnesia mixture and forms magnesium ammonium phosphate. Magnesium ammonium phosphate, when it is heated, gives magnesium pyrophosphate, ammonia and water. This should be collected and you have to find out the mass of this. From that we can do the calculations. Let the mass of the organic compound taken is equal to W1 gram. Mass of the magnesium pyrophosphate obtained on ignition is equal to W2 gram. Molecular mass of magnesium pyrophosphate is equal to 222. This you have to calculate and find out whether you are getting 222. 222 grams of magnesium pyrophosphate contains phosphorus 62 grams. Therefore, W2 grams of magnesium pyrophosphate contains how much of phosphorus? That is, in order to find out that, 62 divided by 228 into W2. This much phosphorus is obtained from W1 grams of the compound. Therefore, percentage of phosphorus in the compound is equal to 62 by 222 into W2 into 100 divided by W1, which is the mass of the organic compound. Or in words, percentage of phosphorus is equal to 62 by 222 into mass of the magnesium pyrophosphate obtained into 100 divided by mass of the organic compound. There is a problem or an application level question is given here. Please try to do it and send the answer.